Sarah, what are you going to do today? I'm going shopping. What time are you leaving? I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock. Will you buy a sandwich for me at the store? Okay. You have enough money? I'm not sure. How much do you have? $25. Do you think that's enough? Oh, no. Hmm, That's not very. That's not very much. Um, I think it's okay. I also two credit cards. Oh, let me give you another $10. Thanks. See you later. Bye. Bye bye.